Are you looking for the best paint sprayer? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best paint sprayer that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. HomeRight FinishMax HVLP Spray Gun. An HVLP paint sprayer is a popular option, since its high volume, low pressure output results in less wasted material. In addition, the low pressure output makes this type of paint sprayer better for detail-oriented projects where brush strokes would be an eyesore. Keep in mind, however, that the trade-off for using an HVLP sprayer with less overspraying waste is that it's more time-consuming than using an airless sprayer to get full coverage. However, if you have patience and want to minimize waste, the HomeRight FinishMax is a versatile HVLP spray gun that has been used for home and furniture projects with great success. One thing that sets this version apart is its brass spray tip, which resists corrosion and wear. Easily adjust the nozzle to one of 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and round, to apply paint, stain, sealant, and other coatings. You can also increase or decrease the flow of material easily on the spray gun itself. The overall design and function of this model is easy to master for users that are new to painting with a spray gun, but it also offers quality results that meet the needs of more seasoned and serious DIYers. Its recommended annual usage is no more than 50 gallons of paint per year. Pros: great for detailed-oriented projects. Reduces overspray and waste. Spray tip resists corrosion and wear. Cons: time-consuming. Number 2. Graco Magnum Paint Sprayer. The Graco Magnum 262800X5 features a stainless steel piston pump to give you the ability to spray unthinned paint at high pressure. This stand airless paint sprayer has a voltage of 110.0 volts, comparable to many low-voltage air compressors. Graco's push prime feature means this paint sprayer will have a fast and reliable startup every single time you use it. Also, Graco's true airless spray tip allows for a softer spray finish with more control and less overspray. With a wide range of coatings, you can expect outstanding spraying results at any pressure due to the soft spray technology featured in Graco's spray tip. Pros: true airless spray tip. Push prime. Stainless steel piston pump. Cons: messy. Number 3. Wagner Spraytech Paint Sprayer. Boasting a 20-foot-long flexible hose, this 11.2-pound, 110-volt, air-driven electric sprayer unleashes a high volume of paint or stain at low pressure. The sprayer's 1.5-quart capacity hopper and 2-stage turbine enable you to spray virtually any finish, be it as viscous as latex paint or as thin as wood stain. With a simple twist of the air cap, you can spray your chosen finish in a vertical, horizontal, or round spray pattern. At the same time, the sprayer's variable air pressure control, ranging from 1.50 to 2.63 psi, pounds per square inch, reduces the risk of overspray. The Wagner Spraytech sprayer offers excellent performance for the price, making it the top pick on our list for home usage. We achieved good coverage and finish results with water-based interior latex paint that had been thinned by about 25% and a medium air setting. Oil-based stain was even easier to work with since no thinning was necessary. Cleanup was relatively quick and easy. Pros: adjustable air speed. Includes 1-quart aluminum and 1.5-quart nylon paint cups. Easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean up. Cons: lightweight plastic components. Number 4. Fuji 2203G HVLP Spray System. This spray system is powered by a 1,400-watt electric turbine motor, housed in a heavy-duty metal case. It includes a 25-foot high-flex hose for extended range on larger projects. The metal spray gun comes with a 400 cubic centimeters gravity feed cup and a 1.3 mm air cap set pre-installed for spraying medium to thin materials. The fan spray pattern easily adjusts from horizontal to vertical and can be widened or narrowed for broader coverage or greater detail. As with other HVLP sprayers, the Fuji Semi-Pro 2 works best with either oil-based or water-based paints and stains that have been thinned to the proper consistency. In our tests it gave excellent coverage and finish results with latex paint that was thin 25%, as well as with oil-based stain. The metal spray gun is more durable than the plastics used in other models, and additional air cap sizes are available for various material types. The entire spray gun and gravity cup can be disassembled for cleaning and maintenance, and replacement parts are available if needed. Pros: Quick Connect Attachment System. Powerful 1400 watt motor. Fully adjustable spray pattern. Cons: Gravity feed cup is small. Number 5. Titan ControlMax Paint Sprayer. This high-efficiency airless paint sprayer features a softer spray pressure, 1500 psi max, and improved tip design that reduces overspray by half while keeping pace with conventional airless paint sprayers. Powered by a 0.6 horsepower motor, it sprays unthinned paint directly from a 1 or 5 gallon pail at rates up to 0.33 gallon per minute. It boasts a durable metal spray gun and a 30-foot airless hose that can be upgraded to 80 feet for maximum reach. Although priced about $250 lower than some comparable paint sprayers, the Titan ControlMax performed similarly. It easily laid down a smooth, even coat of latex paint without runs, leaks, or clogs. Although we would have appreciated a few upgrades to the design, such as including swivel hardware on the airless hose at the gun and pump attachments, it's hard to beat this one for the combination of price and results. Pros: Good results for a great price. Simple assembly, few intricate parts. Lightweight construction, easy to carry. Cons: Lack of swivel connectors make mobility difficult. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.